Yeah, it won't be like bad, like, oh shit bad. What's up guys? So we are still stuck in our little bubble, but yeah, that's all good. We're making the most of it. Hope you guys are staying safe though. Yeah, so earlier this year we steamed out to Little Barrier Island for a bit of a fishing trip. And I think it's fair to say we were being very optimistic when it came to the weather forecast. Once we got out of the wind and the rough water by hiding out around the back of the island, we went for a bit of an explore in all the little bays. And man, what a place. But anyway, I'll roll on those clips now. And to put this on. You can see it's a bit bumpy, eh? Yeah, it won't be like bad, like, oh shit bad. Look at me! I want to get my wet shirt off so I can dry.
Yes, Ruan, you picked this. You said yes, tomorrow's going to be mint. Hey, it's going to be mint. Give it till 11 o'clock. Tell him that this is not mint.
This is mint.
I could get a great barrier now.
Yeah. Mate, this is like doing washing.
Let me tell you, you're not fishing.
Oh, I think you saw that one wave I caught. Did you see that one? Oh, I didn't catch the wave, I dove it.
Around the corner, I was sitting down, I dove over and I stopped. Boom! Boom.
It's when you stop. It's when you stop when it hits you.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
One we climbed the wake that he made and the wave clashed. And I went over that clash. After that clash was another clash, but there's obviously a hole in between them.
So we came out to Little Barrier Island for a bit of a fish, and man, just look at that, look at that, you can see the bottom. Yeah, it turned out the day started out really bad, well not bad, but we came out and it was the roughest water I've been in. Got a few splashes where the waves came over me, but yeah, from that to this. Absolute paradise. Honestly one of the luckiest people to be able to do this. It's another awesome little spot. About 2 months ago, we went for a fish around the back of Waiheke. I kind of forgot the GoPro in the car though, so couldn't get any footage of the fishing. I did remember the drone, so we got that up in there and got really cool footage. So I'll roll that for you guys now.